Hello everybody, live from the attic here. Just wanted to make a quick video, pretty much just opening up the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the Costco bundle that I had acquired off of Costco.com, and there was a deal, like a little bit on Black Friday, where normally it's $500 and they had it for $100 off, so pretty much got it for 400 plus tax. So yeah, let me just go ahead, start opening it up. Just pretty much I'll show you. There it is. They mentioned the Costco bundle with the additional information and how it looks on the sides, and then the back with the additional information. I'm gonna go ahead, pretty much open it up, and then check it out. The items inside. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much peel this off. Keep it simple. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take these out at a time. Yep, got the battery handle. Yeah, pretty much. Yep, that's the Pocket 3. This is the 64 gig micro SD card that came with it. Yeah, pretty much that's about it. I'll put this away and just check out each particular accessory, as well as the camera as well. This thing I'm just gonna pretty much keep on the side. I already have a higher storage. I pretty much got this right here, so I'm pretty much gonna use the 512 gigabyte to have just larger space. That way I can record larger 4K clips onto the Pocket 3. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep that aside, and then let me go and see this right here. I'm pretty much gonna just cut this open. Got a bit of weight to it. Nice. And got the sticker with the instruction manual and everything. Okay, not bad, not bad. I'll put that aside and check this out. Got the cable in there. See if I could get it out. Oh, it's just a silica packet, so I'll put that away. And check out each and every item pretty much. Oh yeah, that's the lanyard. Yeah, I'm gonna put that away. This is, I'm pretty sure, the extender, right? Yeah. Yeah, just to put for the... Okay, cool. Yeah, this thing is, you know, easy to take off. And we have additional instructions. Let me peel this. And yeah, put this away. Then pretty sure you just twist it and then it turns on. Yeah, we select English. Okay, activate before use. Got additional information. Press once. Take a photo, start recording. 5D joystick. Rotate screen, power on and off, switch between landscape and portrait shooting. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna put that micro SD card right there. Okay. Oh, 5 times remaining. No, you know, I'll come back to it. It's no big deal. Then it just shuts off. Okay. Cool, very cool. Can't wait to start using this. I'm gonna make some short videos, even some long ones as well. You know, and then just pretty much wanted one for daily use, other than the phone camera, just to use and you know, record clips to upload. I do also upload to the Attic podcast channel, so definitely I'm gonna you know, put it over there. Some of these, oh, I think I put it on the wrong direction. Let me, yep, this goes, let's see, turn it on, shut it off, yeah, and it goes here. I think it goes this way. Yep, pretty sure. Okay, cool. Yeah, so just want to do this quick unboxing video, checking it out in hand and everything. Got the battery handle over here. I'm not gonna, let me see, didn't expect to check it out, but let me open it. Yeah, I might have to implement that if I want to take some time-lapse sort of videos, right? Pretty sure it's for this right here, and that's the yeah, that's the battery handle. Pretty much gonna have to, you know, have it positioned if I want certain angles, and yeah, definitely for in that instance I'm gonna have to use this right here. You know, have it powered on for longer periods of time. If I do want to switch to this. Yeah, you know, pretty much if I do decide, I'm pretty much gonna first test it out with a small one, and then go over to the extended one. Yeah, you know, why not have both of them? Pretty much gonna have myself like a I've seen those online, the creator bag pouch. Try to get something similar to that. That way I could hold all the accessories in one bag. So yeah, that's really it. Just wanted to do an unboxing on video, see how it looks. You know, definitely recommend the Costco bundle. You know, it was already such a good deal at $499.99 on the Costco website, but you know, the Black Friday adding an additional $100 off to it just made it a no-brainer for me. Ended up being cheaper than pretty much every other spot. I think the two places was Sam's Club and Costco. They had their bundles marked down. So yeah, that's about it really. Just wanted to make this video, and I'm gonna be uploading it in a bit. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.